sa personal, saksakan ng gwapo. This is a serious statement. I've been hosting for more or less mga 23 years na po. Pero yung energy ninyong gabi might just be the best one after 23 years. Great job sa inyong lahat, and we are just getting started. Tandaan nyo, I hope everyone had fun exploring the arena. May mga games tayo, activities, lahat-lahat. Yes! Andiyan yata tatong pinsan ko. So the winners of the games will announce it later on. But alam ko naman talaga kung ano ang pinunta nyo ngayong gabi. Ready ba kayo para sa concert natin ngayong gabi? This side, ready ba kayo? Ready ba kayo? Oh, arena! Ready ba kayo? That's how you do it. Yan ang energy na gusto natin. Todo parang 18 kanina. And we are very lucky to have the 18 kick off our celebration composed of some of the best dancers and choreographers in the country. Now the 18 knows exactly what it takes to push past expectations and limits, creating a limitless future, and that is what we are celebrating this evening. At alam natin yan, with pioneering solutions from Acer, we can live our best life starting now with the best concert ever. At syempre, alam natin, level up lahat ng experiences pagdating sa Acer. Kaya magagawin natin, I'm sure marami kayo napanood na concert. But this time, level up pa natin ang concert experience. But ngayong gabi, I do have a very special co-host also making her debut. Highly intelligent, makulit, charismatic, high-performance neural network with ang co-host ko ngayong gabi. And I am talking about our A-High host. Hi, Jay!
For that wonderful introduction.
Hi Jay, good evening, and wow, you look pretty cool this evening.
You look pretty cool yourself, Louise. Though I have to confess, I was hoping for a guy in finance with a trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes.
Wow, aga bastusan na. Sorry, Jay. Hindi man ako yung trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes lahat. Isa naman, alam ko kung paano mamigay ng mga prizes ngayong gabi. Diba? Mas importante yun. So we are talking about prizes. Ang gusto namin ni Jade at ni Acer ay may mga may uwi kayong prizes. So, di ba mag-giveaway kaya muna tayo? Jade?
I would love to. How would you like to proceed, Louise?
Eto maganda. Jade, kita-kita natin ang buong arena natin. At hinahanap natin kung sino ang may pinaka-radiant o pinaka-magandang smile.
I can do that for you, Louise. I am equipped with the most advanced facial recognition and scanning technology.
Okay, our first and quick game is called Ace That Smile. So ganito mangyayari. Si Jade will scan the crowd using our roving smile cams to locate 3 audience members with the cutest smiles. So ito pinapaganda, if you're selected, syempre may uwi kayong merch courtesy of Acer, ganun lang madali. So when I say smile, please flash your biggest smile para makapili si Jade natin. Okay ba? Okay, madali? Okay, Jade, are you ready?
I'm absolutely ready to find the cuties in the crowd, Louise.
Okay, get your smiles ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi ko lang para sabihin po sa inyo. Medyo nahirap-hirap po bakit po dyan ngayon. Subukan natin mamaya. Good evening. Thank you very much. Dito lang tayo. We have a player who's here. So please